Question 13 says to write an equation in slope-intercept form of a line that passes through our given points. In this case, we have to find our points first. So question 13 says at the 1,000 foot level of a mountain, it is 54 degrees Fahrenheit. That's one of our points, right here. At 1,000 feet, our temperature is 54 degrees. It's our first point. At the 10,000 foot level of the mountain, it is 29 degrees. So here's our second point. We have 10,000 and 29. So write a linear equation to find the temperature T and elevation X on the mountain. So all we're doing here is we're going to replace our Y with T. So instead of Y equals mx plus b, we're going to have T is equal to mx plus b, or x is our elevation. So we're going to need two things. First we need our slope, then we need to find our y-intercept. We're given 2 points, so we can find our slope based on those points. Now our slope is rise over run. So looking at my y-coordinates, I have 54 and 29. From 54 to 29, I'm rising, or I'm actually decreasing, negative 25. So my slope, my rise over run, is going to be negative 25. And I'm running from 1,000 to 10,000, my 2x terms. So I'm actually moving 9,000 feet up as I go. So writing my equation, I have my temperature is equal to negative 25 over 9,000 x plus b. Okay, now I need to find my y-intercept. To find my y-intercept, I'm going to take one of the points. I'm going to go ahead and use the top point here and substitute those in for temperature and my x, or my distance above sea level, or distance up the mountain. So my temperature is going to be 54. That's equal to negative 25 over 9,000 times 1,000, my x-coordinate, plus b. Simplifying, I'm going to get 54. I'm going to move down here. 54 is equal to negative 25 times 1,000. Remember, that's over 1. So that'd be negative 25,000 over 9,000 plus b. I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. I can cross the zeros out. So I'm left with just 54 is equal to negative 25 over 9 plus b. I'm now going to simplify it again. I'm going to go ahead and make this 54 is equal to negative 25 over 9 is the same as negative 2 and 7/9 plus b. The reason I'm doing that is I'm going to add this negative 2 and 7/9 over to both sides to isolate my variable b. And mixed numbers are a little easier to add. And so I have 54 plus 2, which is going to be 56, and 7/9 is equal to b. So my final equation is going to be T equals negative 25 over 9,000 x plus my b, which is 56 and 7/9. So there I have it. There's my first part, part A. B says use the elevation to determine the temperature at 12,000 feet. So I'm just going to kind of section this area over here, probably move down a little bit. I'm going to use this T equaling negative 25 over 9,000 x plus 56 and 7/9. And I want to know the temperature at 12,000 feet. So 12,000 feet is again my x term. So my temperature is equal to negative 25 over 9,000 times 12,000 plus 56 and 7/9. Plugging in negative 25 over 9,000 times 12,000 gets you negative 33 1/3. Plug that into the calculator. So replacing this mess, we get negative 33 1/3 plus 56 7/9. 1/3 is the same as 3/9. So adding those two, you end up with T is equal to 23 4/9. So my temperature is 23 4/9 or 23.44 repeating degrees Fahrenheit.